Welcome to AMI Day 11. I'm going to talk about transformations. Our first transformation we're going to talk about is a translation. A translation is a slide. We're going to take a original image, which we call a pre-image, and move it either left to right or up and down when we slide it around. This one we're going to look at sliding it to our blue image here. So how far are we going to take this original to move it to this blue image? So if I pick a point, I'm going to say this point right here, I'm moving over 1, 2, 3. I'm moving it to the right 3 places, and now I have that image. What if I have to move it to the left? I want to get to this right image. So I'm going to say I'm going to use this point, because you use any point you want and see where it translates to the new one. I want to move it how far to the left. And so I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. And when I go left, I call that negative. I'm saying this is a -4. I'm moving it back 4 places and using negative showing back. All right, let's look at going up and down in a translation. So if I'm going to move up, I am going to let's take this point right here that's at the top. I'm going up 1, 2, 3. So I'm moving it up 3 places. And I see it slide to that. And if I have something that's below it, we're going to use negative numbers to go how far it goes down. So let's use this corner here. Going down 1, 2. So when I'm going down, I say -2 to show going down. All right, let's look at a translation that does 2 things at once, like it's moving left and going up in this picture. So you can do multiple translations and get a different image. So let's say L is our pre-image and we want red to be our image. So I'm going to pick this point at the bottom and I'm going to see how far I'm going to move to get to this same line that this red image is on. I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units left. 5 left. And we write that because it's our X value that we're moving. We're saying X minus 5. That's how we're writing it as a coordinate. And then how far up are we moving it? If we're right here, we're moving up 1, 2, 3. So we're moving it up 3 places. So we write that has up 3. And we write it has y plus 3. Like that. All right. So just make sure translation, you're telling how far you're moving, left, right, up, and down. Okay. Reflections is reflecting over a line of reflection. It's a mirror image. So this picture is reflecting over this y-axis. We have another couple other pictures to look at for reflection. We're reflecting over here on this image to the left is our x-axis, where this yellow line is. These 2 images are reflecting over and you can see here that we have, when you have these little slashes, that means this is our new image, our prime picture. Okay, our beginning picture for our y-axis over here. This is our starting image, our pre-image, and it reflects over the y-axis to get our A prime, B prime, C prime. This is our new image that was created. All right, sometimes reflections are over a x. This one's x equals -2, so it doesn't have to be a y or x axis. It could be just a line. So here's another example of a reflection. Just make sure that when you're telling about a reflection, what is the line of reflection? All right, and then let's look at rotation. So this triangle is rotating. It is rotating its degrees, let's see, 180. So if I stop, you should see it that the picture is now 180 degrees. It has started here and it rotated clockwise. So there's 3 things that you need when you are talking about rotations. You need the point of rotation, which is -1, 1. You need to know how much it's rotating. So it rotated 180 degrees and it rotated clockwise. So when I had this original picture, when I start at 0, it is going clockwise to its new position. Here's one that is showing rotation that is going counterclockwise. So when it starts at the beginning, it's going backwards now. So let's start at 0 and it's going 90 degrees. It's going clockwise there, counterclockwise, and 180 counterclockwise, and 270 counterclockwise. Okay, and then we have dilations, and dilations is just showing it's going bigger and it's getting smaller. All right, smaller and getting bigger. So dilation is just taking a scale factor and using that. All right, I hope you have a great day, Southwest. I hope this has helped you.